Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Tunisian crochet in rounds, and I'm using two different colors just so that you can see the effect of it. One color is going to be the forward pass and the other color is going to be the return pass, and here you can see what happens when you do use two different colors. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm using the Tunisian simple stitch here, and you can see that the vertical bars are done in one color, and then in between the spaces is going to be the return pass in another color. In order to crochet Tunisian crochet in rounds, you're going to need a Tunisian crochet hook that has the same hook on both sides. So for me, that is a 6mm hook. You can also use a cord in between. So simply use a Tunisian crochet hook that is attached. That's two hooks attached with a cord in the middle. You're also going to need two skeins of yarn. I'm using here anti-pilling yarn from Premier. I'm using a reddish color. I believe this is burgundy and quiet blue. You can totally use the same color, but I still recommend using two skeins so that way your yarn doesn't tangle up. So start with any chain number. I'm just going to use Tunisian simple stitches to show you how to do this. You can use this technique with any stitch. So once you make any chain amount and connect the first and the last stitch together, we're now going to make Tunisian simple stitches. So insert your hook into each chain and pull up a loop. Do this about halfway through. Once you've done about halfway like this, we're now going to do the return pass from the other side. So you constantly go in between the forward and the return pass, back and forth. Okay, so now that I went this far, I did not finish the round yet. I'm going to turn my project and push it over to the other side. So you're simply going to make a slip knot, simply going to pull through once, and now you're going to do it twice for all the other stitches until you have about 2 stitches left. So yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2. You're just working a few of them up. So I'm going to stop right here. So I have 3 stitches left. Now I'm going to drop the red color, simply ignore it. I'm going to push my project back over to the other side. So now I can continue with my blue. Simply insert my hook into each stitch and pull up a loop. So now I went until the end of the round, and now I'm going to turn my project again, push it over to the other side, and now I need to do my return pass again, roughly until I have 3 stitches left. So keep going with yarn over and pull through 2, and then we're going to push our project back over to the other side and continue with the blue. Now, I'm not going to do a slip stitch or anything. I'm just going to keep going. So that means I'm going to insert my hook into my vertical bars of all my Tunisian stitches that I already made. So right here, just insert it and pull up a loop. And I'll do this for all my stitches. So you can go as far as you can until you feel that it's pulling too much and you can't pull up a loop anymore. At that stage, you're simply going to turn. I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to turn, push it back to the other side, and continue on with my return pass in the other color. Now, as I said, you can totally use the same color, but I still recommend using a second skein to make it easier. And now we're just going to continue. So turn and then continue on with your stitches. So that means with one color or one skein, you're picking up your stitches. This can be any stitches that you like. And then with the other one, you're going to simply do the return pass. So you have to pick which of the skeins you want to have as the return pass. And the other one is going to be the forward pass. So now I'm going to turn again, push it back over, and do my return pass again. I would love to know what you're going to use this technique for, so leave me down below a comment and let me know. And if you need the written version of this tutorial, simply check out the link down below. I added a few additional links as well for Tunisian crochet hooks. If you're interested, just check out the description. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'm publishing a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.